Did you know that after 30, you lose 3 to 5% of muscle every decade? By the time you hit 40, you might start feeling the effects. Muscle mass decreases, joints stiffen, and energy levels drop, making even simple movements like walking or lifting more challenging. But here's the good news. You can reverse these effects. Today, I'm going to show you 5 exercises to rebuild your strength, restore balance and flexibility, and supercharge your energy levels. And stick around, because at the end, I'll share a bonus exercise and a complete workout routine to help you maximize the benefits of these moves. Let's get started. Exercise number 5. Body weight squats. If you spend a lot of time sitting and find it difficult to stand up from a chair or squat to pick things up from the floor, weak leg and glute muscles may be to blame. Body weight squats are a game changer for lower body strength. They target your thighs, hips, glutes, and even your core, making them the ultimate full body strengthener. Squats improve balance and help prevent falls, which is especially crucial as we age. Start by using a chair for support. Slowly lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor. As you progress, you can add dumbbells or resistance bands for added resistance. If you don't have dumbbells, you can use items like water bottles or canned goods from around the house. Avoid common mistakes like letting your knees extend beyond your toes. Keep your back straight and chest lifted for proper form. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps and gradually increase as you build strength. Squats are great for enhancing lower body strength, but now let's focus on building upper body strength. Exercise number 4. Push-ups. Modified or standard. Weakness in your upper body can make daily tasks more difficult. For example, pushing heavy doors or lifting objects can be a challenge. Push-ups are a full-body powerhouse, strengthening your chest, shoulders, arms, and core. Plus, they enhance upper body endurance. Start with wall or incline push-ups to build confidence and strength. Once comfortable, progress to standard push-ups. For additional resistance, consider using a weighted vest. Experiment with variations such as diamond push-ups, which target the triceps for toned arms. Wide grip push-ups, great for the chest and shoulders, and clap push-ups, which boosts explosive power. Maintain a strong, straight line with your body. Keep those hips from sagging, and remember to tuck in your elbows to avoid flaring. Stay tight and focused for the best results. Kick off your workout with 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. As you build strength and confidence, don't hesitate to challenge yourself by increasing those reps. Building core strength and stability is essential not just for enhancing your performance, but also for preventing injuries and staying active in all your favorite activities. Exercise number 3. Plank variations. If you suffer from lower back pain, especially after sitting or standing for long periods, this next exercise can help reverse that discomfort. Core strength is the foundation of stability, and planks are a simple yet effective way to work your entire midsection, including abs, obliques, and lower back. Begin with a 20-second hold, ensuring proper form throughout. Afterward, integrate these movements to engage more muscles. Add shoulder taps to improve balance and coordination. Include side planks to target the obliques for a leaner waistline, and incorporate plank with leg lift to strengthen the glutes and hamstrings. To achieve the best results, keep your hips aligned and your core engaged while maintaining a flat back, no arching. Hold that position for 20 to 60 seconds and challenge yourself with 3 to 4 sets. Exercise number 2. Step-ups. This next exercise aims to strengthen weak leg muscles and enhance balance, particularly for those who struggle with climbing stairs. Step-ups are a functional exercise that mirrors everyday activities, like climbing stairs. They enhance balance, coordination, and cardiovascular fitness. Begin with a low step, ensuring that your knee is aligned with your foot. As you advance in your workout, think about adding some weights for an extra challenge, or throwing in a knee lift at the peak of each movement to really kick up the intensity. To really enhance your workout, prioritize your form by making each movement intentional and controlled. Ditch the jerky motions and focus on smooth, steady steps that feel fluid. Aim for 10 to 12 reps on each leg and challenge yourself with 3 sets. And now, one of my absolute favorite exercises. It's incredibly simple, yet packs a powerful punch for building strength, improving coordination, and boosting your overall fitness. If you're finding it challenging to do the other exercises, I recommend putting your energy into this one. Exercise number 1. Bird dog exercise. If you're struggling with coordination or balance, everyday tasks like carrying groceries, lifting boxes, or even just walking can become quite a challenge. The bird dog exercise is fantastic for improving coordination, core stability, and spinal health. It's gentle on joints while strengthening your back, glutes, and abs. Move slowly, concentrate on your balance, and engage your core to help maintain stability. As you progress, add a resistance band or hold each position for a few extra seconds to increase difficulty. Keep your back flat, avoid twisting your hips, and move with control. Aim for 10 to 12 reps on each side and challenge yourself with 2 to 3 sets. Now that we've covered the 5 essential exercises, let's add a bonus move. This exercise ties everything together by targeting multiple areas of the body at once to enhance your overall fitness. Bonus exercise: dead bug. This exercise strengthens your core while teaching your body to move your arms and legs independently. It enhances coordination, stability, and body control while protecting your spine. Here's how to do it. Lie flat on your back with your arms extended straight toward the ceiling and knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor while keeping your core engaged. Make sure your lower back stays in contact with the floor. Return to the starting position and repeat with the opposite arm and leg. Perform the movement slowly to focus on proper form. As you progress, consider making the following adjustments for increased challenge. 1. Add ankle or wrist weights for extra resistance. 2. Extend your legs fully to intensify the difficulty. 3. Perform the exercise on an unstable surface, such as a yoga ball, to engage your core muscles more effectively. If it's your first time, start with 8 reps per side for 2 sets. As you progress, aim for 10 to 12 reps per side for 3 sets. Now that you've mastered the 5 essential exercises and added the bonus dead bug move, it's time to put everything together into a complete workout routine. This routine will help you build strength, improve coordination, and enhance your overall fitness, all in one session. Complete workout routine. Warm-up. Begin with a 5-minute warm-up. For the main workout, you will do body weight squats, 3 sets of 15 reps, push-ups, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, plank variations, 3 sets, holding for 20 to 60 seconds each, step-ups, 3 sets of 10 reps per leg, bird dog exercise, 3 sets of 10 reps per side, dead bug, 3 sets of 10 reps per side. Finish with a 5-minute cool-down by doing gentle stretches for your hamstrings, quads, shoulders, and hip flexors. Commit to this routine at least 3 times a week for the best results. Fitness after 40 isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Stick with these 5 exercises and you'll see incredible results over time. Now it's your turn. Which exercise will you start with? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who wants to stay strong and active after 40.